Hey everyone, this is Sean with the Rise of the Ginger Count channel. I'm kind of on a hiatus right now. It's March 16th, 2020, and we're amidst the coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic fun. I live in Alberta, Canada, and we have had upwards, I think we're up now at 79 cases, I believe, with people who are infected. So, and it's growing. So, anyways, part of the reason I created my channel was that I was using it to document my return to the gym, trying to get healthy, doing all that kind of fun. Well, they've closed the gyms and recreation centers because rightfully so, trying to stop the spread of this thing as best you can and keeping people in safe situations and not having people be idiots and spreading it because they're immune or whatever other garbage is being spewed. But anyways, so my gym stuff has been cut off for the moment. We don't know how long this is going to last. Hopefully it won't be too long, and hopefully too many people won't have to pass because of this. But in the meantime, I'm looking to try and get a exercise bike at my home, so at least I have some way to keep my regimen or routine going, and being able to hopefully keep this going, my getting healthy process going in the meantime. So it's a little bit scary. It's a little bit worrisome because my parents are older, and I have friends with parents who are older, and you just don't want people to get sick because people are being stupid. And I've seen some crazy ass stuff in the last while, between people stocking up on thousands of rolls of toilet paper for God knows why. Are they building castles or forts or what with them? People overbuying food that they'll never be able to use, but they've bought it so that people who do need the food can't get it, which is wonderful. So, not cool. And yeah, and just seeing people who are, whether it's ignorance or arrogance or worse, just openly looking to spread something just because they can. Of course, there's the side of the profiteers, which is also wonderful to see. And yeah, it seems in the worst times, you can really see the dichotomy of where our species can be, between people on the front line, the medical staff, and other people who are on the front lines trying to save people and trying to keep people safe, and complete idiots who are using their rights to be a-holes and just cause pandemonium just because they can. Yeah, I don't know. Sometimes I wonder about being a human being. So, anyways, I'm hoping that wherever you're watching this around the world or whatever, whenever you're watching this, that you're safe, your family and friends are safe and healthy. You're taking precautions. You're being smart. You're not doing anything stupid. You're not doing anything arrogant or ignorant. You're not trying to make things worse than they need to be. Take care of yourselves and take care of the people you care about, and try to think outside yourself. Yeah, you may be immune. You may skate through this without any problems. But what about all the people around you that you infect, right? So I'm asking people, be better. I think Melania likes to go be best. Be better at least. Like, this is craziness. So anyways, update on the situation is hoping to get a bike soon, hoping to get an exercise bike and be able to get back on the bike and get my exercise thing going again. And hopefully we can find a way in each of our countries, wherever you're living, to be able to deal with this COVID-19 and coronavirus stuff, and deal with it in a way that is causes the least amount of problems and saves the most amount of lives. Also, kind of, one of my other rants I was going to go on about was that I appreciate people need humor in times of darkness, and I get that. But the number of people I've seen making so many ignorant and racist garbage jokes jokes about this thing is like, obviously empathy is not an important part of our society at this point. Seeing some of just the commentary and people on social media is just, it's sad, because while you're making your jokes and your hilarious comments and pushing racist and hateful agendas and all that wonderful stuff, there's actual people who are dying. There are actual people who are giving their lives trying to save people. And it would be awesome if we as a species could show that we are the superior species by being more caring and empathetic and compassionate and willing to see outside selfishness and self-entitlement. Yeah. Anyways, enough of my ranting about that stuff, but I wish people could be better. I wish our species could be better. I wish we could be better for ourselves and for all the souls around us, the animals and the world itself, and just, yeah, everybody, right? So anyways, I just hope that you are safe wherever you are. You're taking care of yourself. You're taking care of your family and your friends, and everyone's healthy and gonna get through this hopefully as unscathed as possible. And hopefully I'll have a good update in a couple of days, and just hoping that everybody can be okay and get through this, and not too much more life has to be lost, because I think, yes, the percentage worldwide may be small. I don't think it's small for the families and friends of the people that they've lost. Those, and I guess it's easy to, when you're looking at big numbers, to always get taken out of what the actual reality is for the people involved in the actual numbers. Stats and data and wonderful things, graphs are wonderful things, but it's when you're actually in your real life and having these things happen to you that, yeah. So anyways, I'm wishing and hoping that things can improve, and that people can do what's right for each other and for themselves, and do the right thing, so that we can get this. We don't need to get a situation like the stand, and we don't need a situation where everything's made worse because people just made the worst absolute choices possible because they were living their selfish or self-entitled moments. Like, be better than that. Be better than that. We all deserve better than that. So anyways, I'm hoping you guys are safe. Take care. Blessings. And hopefully we can all get through this in one piece, and hopefully be able to have other stuff get back to our regular lives and regular ways and regular days, and just not having this looming over us. So anyways, take care. Thank you for watching, and yeah, just be safe and be healthy.